Some more breaking news coming in this point in time. Former UP Minister Babu Singh Kushwaha's residence is currently being raided by the CBI in connection with the National Rural Health Mission scam in Uttar Pradesh. And now the CBI is also raiding 40 other places in Uttar Pradesh regarding the scam. Remember, Kushwaha just joined the BJP yesterday, and the CBI raids coming at this point in time. Pranshu joining us with more on this story. Pranshu.
Well, let's see, of course, this raid was very much on the cards. Remember, on 27th, last month, it is 27th December, Babu Singh Kushwaha was grilled for more than 5 hours at CBI headquarters in Delhi. The very second day, on 28th December, the other former minister of UP, former health minister of UP, Anant Mishra, he was also grilled. So this entire raid, that was very much on the cards. This FIR was very much on the cards. Now it becomes politically more sensitive because these raids come the very next day when we see Babu Singh Kushwaha going in Delhi and joining the BJP there. So clearly, now it has also taken a bit of political color also. But remember, Babu Singh Kushwaha, right from the time when the CMO murders took place and this entire NRHM scam came into light, it was thought and it was considered that it is more than a 3,000 crore rupees scam. High Court, the Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court, that ordered an inquiry, after which CBI took up this case. At this point in time, the CBI people have told us, the sources have told us, that in 5 such cases the FIR has been registered. At first stage, the basic attempt, the basic focus is to somehow unearth this entire linkage of political masters, which is the Babu Singh Kushwaha and the people around him, the party, the senior leaders in the BSP and the government, their link to some of the key suppliers attached to the Department of Family Welfare and to the Department of Health. So in that connection, while at the point in time when the raid are being conducted at the premises of Babu Singh Kushwaha, and these are at least more than 2 premises. 2 we know. One is the raids are going on at his flat in the Kasmanda House apartment, which is at the very heart in the Hazratganj area of the Lucknow, and other is this Shalimar Royal building where Babu Singh Kushwaha generally stays here in flat number A102. So at this point in time, we are being told, we haven't seen ourselves, but we are being told by the staff here that around 8 to 9 people from CBI, they reached this flat this morning. Also probably Babu Singh's wife and probably his mother also. Only these 2 people from his family, they are inside the flat. The flat is closed. The investigations are going on. The sources are telling us that the officials are in the process of going through various documents. Some seizures are being made. So these 2 raids are going on in Lucknow. Simultaneously, the inputs are coming in from Moradabad, where the raid is on at the residence of one of the very prominent suppliers working for the Department of Family Welfare and Department of Health in UP for previous 5 years. So that is one firm which is owned by one Mr. Saurabh Jain and his associates. So at this point in time, raid is also going on here. We also have inputs from Kanpur that raids are going on, and what sources say that in subsequent time raids can also take place in Banda, from where Babu Singh Kushwaha basically come in. So probably raid can also take place at his ancestral home. So this is the equation right now. We hope that probably this raid would continue for long. No official communication as such, but clearly it's a big step because this was very much on the cards. People were feeling that Babu Singh Kushwaha would finally come under the radar, and that's why probably after being sacked by BSP, he was trying to get some sort of political shelter. He got that political shelter in BJP today, but we are seeing that these raids have started this morning in Lucknow, Moradabad and Kanpur.
All right, thanks very much for that, Pranshu there, bringing us the latest on that story. We'll of course keep going back to that big story developing there in Lucknow.